gonna get this painted at some point. Push it. You gotta push it harder. Anyway, I think it's broken because it wasn't like that. It used to be easy. It used to be easy to come off. So I don't know. I don't know what's wrong with it now. Go change your shoes. And then we're gonna come get all of this stuff off. All of this is sitting under my car. I mean under the tree. Get all those leaves out. Okay. My little helper. Just open it up a little bit. Okay. I think that's good. I'm gonna make us a little paste.
Hi guys.
To clean up the battery. And I'm not gonna unplug it though, because I'm not very comfortable with doing it. Mix it up. But I am gonna just clean it while it's already contained, I guess. I don't know. I've never taken off the battery.
Here.
Okay, put it down somewhere. But I think this is what the problem could be. It is so corroded in there. So I'm gonna take it off and clean it. No, I think it'll be okay. Kind of scared to do it because I never really done it before. But I'm gonna give it my best try, and I hope that I don't get electrocuted. What boom noise? No. Oh, that? Okay, so far so good. I think I'm supposed to take off the negative first and then the positive.
Yeah.
My back really hurts.
What the?
Like bending over and stuff, you know, being in a car accident and recovering is something else.
Your brain is hurting?
Yeah, it does. But you learn to get over it, I guess, or just move on and create a new normal. Bless you.
Thank you.
All right, so now I have both off. Wiggle. This one, like, it does not want to come off easy like the other one did.
They need a little more power.
So now I see all of that corrosion, and I'm guessing this is probably what's causing the battery to not connect. I don't know. But if it doesn't work after cleaning those, I'm going to just jump it off again. This battery is 2 years old, so it shouldn't be bad, I guess. I don't know. How long do batteries last? I have no idea.
Oh, it has.
But this was a little bit scary for me at first. Make sure you don't touch.
30, 31, 32, 33, 34.
Oh, he's counting with the video. So far it looks cleaner. I have to clean this other piece right here. I have it covered up just for extra protection. I don't want to get shocked. So the little piece dropped down. Look at how dirty my arm got.
I can't see it.
Can't see it. This little piece dropped off the battery. I was scared to go get that down because I didn't know what it would do. Now my arm is all dirty. Job of the mechanic. What are you doing?
I'm looking at your shirt to read it.
Oh, you're looking at my shirt? It's my microphone. You want to read my shirt? What does my shirt say? The VS says versus. Can you step out of the way of the camera though? Read it. That's right. Me versus me. Okay, I gotta finish cleaning so we can put this back on and see if the car's in stuff. It's a microphone. It carries my voice to the phone.
Can I do it?
It can hear you too.
Well, he can hear me?
Yeah.
What the?
So when we turn the video on, you'll be able to hear your voice. There's my other son. Good morning.
Good morning, Mommy.
The car battery won't start again. Let's see. Nope. Okay. That's it, Cord. Don't do it no more. It's still not working. Turn it off. No, it's not. The battery's dead. We gotta jump it off.
Getting a candle.
Yeah. Turn it off. Turn it off.
Uh-oh. It's all dead.
Still dead.
With no gas.